Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put on sunglasses properly. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. So, you want to put on sunglasses properly? This is the easy tutorial video for you. Let's get into it. I have my pair of sunglasses here. This is actually the first, nice pair of sunglasses that I bought. I bought these many years ago. I'm trying to think in my head. It's probably been, I don't know, like maybe 15 years ago, give or take. And yeah, I love these sunglasses. I don't wear them anymore because I wear my glasses. But when I was wearing contacts, I was wearing them all the time. So this is how to put sunglasses on properly, an easy tutorial. Let's get into it. Basically, I'm going to take my hat off over here, okay? And I'm going to take my glasses off. Now, essentially, you want to get your sunglasses, and first and foremost, you want to open them up. Okay, now make sure you're opening up the arm, that's on top first. So open up one arm and then the other arm. When they're fully open like this, what you want to do is you want to take them and you want to take the arm and you want it to go like across the top over your ear and then down. So like this, watch this. I'm just going to do it with one side. Over my ear area and then down. Okay, so I'm bringing it like this. And then I'm hooking it down when it gets to the back. So basically like this, over my ear and then down. And as you do that on the side, with the front over here, you want to get the sunglasses around the bridge part of your nose where it feels comfortable. So maybe not down here, not up here, but sort of in the middle. So like this, right there feels comfortable. Perfect. Okay, so you're combining those two movements together to make one smooth, fluent motion. And it's going to basically look like this. I'll do it one time only. Check this out. Just like that. Perfect. Look at that. What? Who's the coolest cat on the block? Me. That's right. Anyways, that's it. That is my tutorial for sunglasses. And I hope you enjoyed it. Now let me put my glasses back on so I can see, because I'm basically super blind without my glasses for the most part. My vision is really horrible. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.